What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from Nate in Your State. I was invited by Juan and Jeanette to come have lunch with them. Either way, we're gonna make this work. I think it's definitely gonna be at their place anyway. So let's see what we're gonna have for lunch at their crib. They've been awesome people during my entire stay here, so let's go get some lunch. Muchas gracias.
Muchísimo gusto.
Okay, ciao.
Muy bien.
Ciao. Wow, look at this. What? Sí. Listo. Super listo. They know I like shrimp. That's what they hooked me up with. I'm utterly, really happy about this. I'm super happy. Arroz de coca, champiñones, plátano. Ensalada de frutas. Rico. Rico, rico. What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from Nate in Your State. This is my last day here in Medellin, Colombia. I will return, but at the moment there isn't much I could do, and it's situations kind of influencing the trip on what I want to do. I gotta dip for the mere fact that I can't do nothing. I have to come back on another time. So I'm gonna take my New York self back to New York. And yo, let's get it. Keep eating, keep exploring, and yo, let's get back on. Gracias. Gracias, señor. See if I can find Spirit. This actually kind of hurts. Sorry. Actually, I'm over here, I believe. Whatever. Hello? What's going on, brother?
How you doing, bro?
Had a good trip?
How about you? To go back here for lunch.
Yo, for real, man.
Everyone I've talked to.
Muy bien, ¿y tú? It's been a dope.
Bro, have a good one, man. Take care.
Take care, brother.
You want a seat in an emergency exit?
I don't have no problem. Do I have to pay for it?
No,
All right, let's get it.
it's more space.
Yo no sé por qué.
Alright, so pretty much after you just get through, you just go straight ahead and we good to go. Yes. After migration behind you, you go straight ahead, and yeah, this is the international side of the airport. Wow. NIYS State. That's what's up. Already. Another one of these nearby. Ooh. I'm pretty sure they're like mad expensive with American prices. Okay. Let's see. Let me just wait. Yep, this is what it looks like, y'all. Oh, I could have sworn I saw this in another vlogger's YouTube. Oh, it's another outside border. I dig it. I dig it. Okay, I guess I'll walk around while I wait. Okay. Hold on.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Good, you?
May I see your passport, please? So, with who has been your back with you all the time?
Yeah.
Did you buy something inside the airport?
Yeah, that's what I bought at the airport.
And has someone given anything to you to take on board the plane?
No.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much and have a nice day. It's a nice car.
Thanks, man. Once again, yeah. They're just trying to check to see if you scooping some stuff. You don't want to be bringing illegal stuff and get yourself locked up abroad. Gracias.
So good. Welcome.
Thanks.
state.